Recent concerns about reservoirs, ecosystems, and droughts have driven SYNLawn to a unique opportunity. Many parts of the country are now facing serious water shortages and increasing restrictions on water usage in the commercial space. Annually, it takes 685 gallons of water to apply 1 inch of water over 1,000 square feet of lawn to keep it green. With SYNLawn, you can drastically reduce your water usage, minimize maintenance, and still have a beautiful green landscape all year round. SYNLawn is a bio-based solution made with plant-based materials such as soy and sugarcane. It includes sustainable systems approved by the USDA and the most comprehensive testing and documentation. We're developing answers for wetlands, runoff concerns into waterways, drought-stricken housing developments, and businesses that thrive on customer foot traffic. You'll find our work on grade, in medians, on roof decks, and under paws and feet. For the safest, cleanest, and greenest turf on Earth, go with SYNLawn.